The Bat, the Beast, and the Bird. Long, long ago, a battle broke out between the beasts of the ground and the birds in the sky. A cowardice bat watched the fight to see which side would win. As soon as he saw the beasts winning, he decided to hide his wings and find the king lion.
Your Majesty, since I resemble a land creature like a mouse, I would like to be a part of your team.
Wow. Yes, I can see that. From now on, Bat, you are one of us.
Oh, nice to be together.
Wow, that's good for us.
Before long, the birds of the sky began to gain control. Now the worried bat decided he needed to visit with the king of the birds, the eagle.
Your Majesty, I too have wings of a bird. Please let me join you.
All right, Bat. From now on, you are a bird.
Oh, we are together.
He has wings.
The fight between the beasts and the birds endlessly continued. And the cowardice bat continued to go back and forth, changing his position. One day, the battles were finally over, and there was peace in the forest.
King Eagle, from now on, the beasts and the birds are one.
Yes, King Lion. We are now one family.
The cowardice bat, however, wasn't welcomed by either side.
We don't want anything to do with your kind. Leave the forest. Roar!
You bad
Leave the
thing.
forest. Leave the forest.
After the bat was shunned by the king, he had no choice but to fly off to a dark and lonely cave.
He quickly turned his head and pretended not to hear the fox's words.
Now all you need is a beautiful